The Minister of Police Affairs, Senator Ibrahim Gaidam, has emphasized need for collaboration among security agencies. He disclosed this at a 3-day workshop of the International Criminal Police Organization conference in Abuja with a theme, Strengthening Internal Security, a Pathway to a Safer Nigeria. The minister said, the partnership will serve as a vital platform to enhance the capacity of law enforcement agencies in leveraging Interpol as tools to foster peace and security across the nation. He called for further strengthening of the nation's internal security framework with the aid of advanced technologies to combat prevailing threats.
I ask all stakeholders present to embrace the principles of Interpol and foster partnerships that will lead us toward a crime-free nation in the near future.
The chairman, Police Service Commission, Hashimu Argungu, and other stakeholders spoke on likely ways to address Nigerian security challenges.
The need of interagency collaboration. We are all working toward a common objective for this country. The issue of frictions, skirmishes between the agencies really should be avoided.
This workshop could not have come at a better time when our nation, security and law enforcement agencies, and indeed the global security and law enforcement community are closing ranks to confront myriad of emerging security challenges.
The Ministry of Police Affairs and Nigerian Police Force are organizing this workshop to sensitize participants on how to coordinate and share crimes intelligence, support investigation to extradite fugitives and wanted for prosecution, support joint operation on transnational crimes, build capacity of personnel, and to facilitate donation of equipment to relevant agencies.
The 3-day workshop also enjoined security agencies to embrace international standards to safeguard lives, properties, and infrastructure in order to foster economic growth, development, and stability of the country. Chukwu Krechinemerem, CNN.